Hello everyone, this is Pankaj and I welcome you all to a new day, new question series. So once again, one more question we have in this series. Let's see what we have in today's question. So as we can see, today's question is saying, consider a frame that is made up of two thin massless rod AB and AC. So this one is our AB and this one is our AC. A vertical force P of magnitude 100 Newton is applied at a point A of the frame. This is point A where we have applied one vertical force whose value is 100 Newton. Suppose the force P is resolved parallel to the arm AB and arm AC. So along the arm AB, along the arm AC, we have resolved this force P. Then they are saying the magnitude of the resolved component along the arm AC. So the component which is along the AC have the value of x Newton. So we want to find the value of x and that too up to the nearest integer. Some values they have given which we are going to use in this question. So what I have done, I have redrawn the diagram which is given in the question. This is our support, this one is our rod AB, this one is rod basically AC, then this 145 degree they have given, this 70 also they have given, and what I have done, I know that this is the linear pair complete angle 180. So if this one is 70, this one will be 110, and similarly if this one is 145, this one will be 35 degree. After that this P force I have resolved into component, one component along this direction, one component along this direction. One more thing, by the alternate angle, if this one is 35, this one will also become equal to 35 degree. Now we know that if this one is 35 degree, this one like this P will be resolved this horizontal and vertical component. So the component which is near to the angle is cos component, and which is away it's known as the sine component. So 100 I have resolved like 100 sine 35, 100 cos 35, and we know that this 100 cos of 35 is nothing but the x which they have given in the question, because they have said along the AC component is x Newton and the component which we are getting along the AC is 100 cos 35. So 100 will be as it is, and we know that cos 35 they have given in the question which is equal to 0.819 equals to x. So 100 into 0.819 will be 81.9. So x will be approximately equals to 82 Newton. So value of x will be 82, and that will be the correct answer for which we are looking. Thank you very much.